far but hate the long soaking, sieving and daily prep, in today's video I will show you how to make DIY akamu at home. It's simple, budget friendly. Let's get started. So today we'll be using dried corn. So start by sorting out your corn. Sort out the stones and bad grain. So after sorting out the grains, the next thing to do is to soak them in water. You can soak your grain for 2 or 3 days to soften them. Once you pour water over the grains, the bad or lightweight ones will float to the top. Use a small sieve or spoon to gently scoop them out and discard. Cover and keep in a cool place. Do not refrigerate. After soaking the grains for 2 to 3 days, drain the water and rinse them thoroughly again. After soaking, blend into a very smooth paste. Use just a little water to help it blend. You can use a home blender or take it to a commercial grinder if you want it super smooth. To sieve your pap is easy. You can use a muslin cloth, a chiffon cloth, a fine sieve or a local pap bag. Add water and press gently to extract only the smooth starch. Okay? Though this is tiring part when making regular akamu, but just do it once and you are done for months. Now pour the pap mixture into a bowl and allow it to settle overnight. The thick starch will settle at the bottom and the clear water will rise to the top the next day. Okay? Gently pour off the water and scoop out your thick pap base. After draining off the excess water from the settled pap, pour the thick paste into a muslin cloth placed over a sieve or colander. This allows any remaining water to drain out naturally. Let it sit for a few hours until the paste becomes firm and less watery. Once it's no longer dripping, scoop it out and spread it thinly on a clean tray, ready for sun drying. You can sun dry it for 2 to 4 days depending on the weather, or you can use a dehydrator if you have one. Just make sure it is fully dry and brittle. Once dried, the next thing to do is to blend into a fine powder. Okay? You can use a dry blender or food processor to achieve this. Once blended, store in a dry airtight container. No moisture at all. This powder can last for 4 to 6 months without preservatives. To prepare akamu powder is very easy. Take 2 to 3 teaspoons of akamu powder and pour it into a clean bowl. You can adjust the quantity based on how thick or how light you want your pap. Add a small amount of cold water to the powder, just enough to make a smooth runny paste. Then stir continuously with a spoon or spatula until the mixture is completely smooth with no lumps. While mixing the powder, put some water on the stove or kettle to boil. The water must be boiling hot, okay? So once the water is boiling, slowly pour it into the bowl of pap mixture while stirring constantly with your spoon or turning stick. After adding the water, cover it and allow it to rest for about a minute so it sets properly. Keep stirring until the pap thickens and changes color from pale to creamy white or yellow depending on the grain used. Okay? So if it is too thick, you can add a little more hot water. If it's too watery, reduce the amount of water next time or let it sit for a few minutes to thicken more. And just like that, our akamu pap is ready. You can add your preferred toppings ranging from milk, sugar or honey, groundnut or peanut butter, evaporated milk or baby formula for toddlers, or you can serve with akara, moi moi or even bread. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, comment below and subscribe for more DIY food hacks. Try making yours and tag me. I love to see it. Until next when I'll be coming again, God bless you and bye.